See, you see what it is called football, and there are many games, and I don't support this game only because I play it, but there are certain some very basic logics behind. You need to understand that why ones want to get into some game. It's only because it builds your stamina. It makes you intelligent to certain level, and football is one game. It's not only played with your stamina. It doesn't require only a skill. It's also a very intelligent game, because while playing, and it's the best thing which you learn out of this game, it's your like that the qualities, how to play in a team. So students, this is called a football, and it is a teamwork, and you celebrate even when a friend of yours, a teammate of yours, they scores, and there we see that the complete team gets together, and they becomes a part of celebration, and they all join and celebrate together. And one more thing, whenever some mistake or something happens, so you're always there, you need to say that what goes wrong, and next time when you are playing that game, so the next time that mistake should not happen, because it's a teamwork, and where even a minor mistake can bring a great loss, and your team might lose. So that is something, your football, your ground is not less than a classroom, and classroom, there you learn a lot of things. So this playground is, again, it's a bigger classroom where you learn to behave and act, and you sometimes you also sacrifice your own things, because even when you are in a very scoring position, but you see that your player of yours, he's in a better position, you assist him to go to score the goal, and that is how you learn to live, and you celebrate, when even your other fellow friends and classmates and teammates, they perform. So this is all about. And one more thing about football I want to say, that if you play this game for 90 minutes, which is the complete game, eventually you will end up running 7 to 8 kilometers. So that is why I promote and I advise you people to get into football also. Though I know in Haryana football there is not much of craze for the football, but you just take, learn it, enjoy it, and you will see it brings all round and holistic development, and that what it means to be athletic, what it means to have stamina, how to play with your teammates, and this brings all your, and it makes you also a good leader. You start leading your playmates, and that how you can you cheer only when, also when your other classmates, teammates, they perform well. So this is called football, this is called soccer game, and the most popular game in the world. It is none other any other game, but it's only football. So children, so even if you don't get to play football, you have a ball and you do some kind of tricks, you can do this, perform this thing, and it will make you so happy. It will make you sweat, right? You will increase your stamina, and you will learn a lot of good things. So it is all about this. So start playing it. By and by you can learn the things nobody can learn any game overnight, and that is how you can do the things. So this is all about football. I love it, and this is only, apart from playing football, I don't do any much of any other exercise, and this is over the years it keeps me fit, and it makes me work hard throughout the day, even without losing any of energy. That's all. Thank you.